Welcome to the Whispering Woods. The morning sun is rising, and the forest creatures are setting up their magical market stalls. Today, you are our newest market helper. It is your job to make sure everyone gets exactly what they need. To help these animals, we are going to use a special kind of magic called math. It lets us solve the little mysteries hiding inside their stories. When you hear a story about numbers, do not worry. It is simply waiting for a math magician like you to finish it. Let's start over at Miss Mouse's bakery. She begins her morning with exactly 12 freshly baked acorn muffins. Soon, a family of hungry squirrels scampers up. They hand over 5 shiny copper coins to take 5 of those muffins away. This shows our 12 muffins. When the squirrels take 5 away, we take that number out of the group. That leaves Miss Mouse with 7 muffins left. Next door, Mr. Badger sells polished river stones. He started his day with 8 silver pebbles, but he just found 9 more splashing in the stream. This math sentence shows what happens when we bring them together. We take his first 8 pebbles and add the 9 new ones to find he now has 17. The secret is simple. Just listen for what the animals are actually doing. Whether they are gathering more things or giving them away, the story tells you the next move. It is late afternoon now, and the market is preparing for the evening. High up on a branch sits Barnaby the owl, carrying 15 letters. With a gentle whoosh, Barnaby swoops down to the hollow tree and drops off 6 of those letters. Curious, if he started with 15 and left 6 behind, how do we find out how many are still inside his bag? Looking at this math sentence, we start with 15 envelopes. We take away the 6 he delivered, which tells us Barnaby has 9 letters left. When characters in our stories leave things behind or drop things off, the group gets smaller. That is how you know it is time to subtract. The sun is setting, and glowing fairies are fluttering in to light the dark market paths with their soft gold lanterns. They need to hang a total of 20 lanterns before nightfall. Counting them out one by one would take far too much time. Fortunately, the fairies have a clever trick. They save time by organizing the lanterns into neat, equal rows. They arrange 4 rows and place exactly 5 lanterns into each. Grouping them like this, we count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. We reach the total much faster. This shortcut is a faster way to add equal-sized groups. When putting items into equal rows, we can stop counting slowly and use this grouping magic to get the answer quickly. It is now total twilight. The hedgehog family is gathered around a large wooden stump table, ready for their midnight feast. Now for our final challenge. Sometimes a story has many parts. When that happens, we just pause and solve one piece at a time. Let's look at the first piece of the story. The hedgehogs start with 10 strawberries, and they find 4 more hidden under a leaf. Here is our first move. We take the 10 original strawberries and add the 4 new ones, making 14 berries altogether. But then, a cheeky crow swoops down and snatches 2 strawberries away. We take our 14 berries and subtract those 2 stolen ones. This tells the whole story. We added the found berries, then subtracted the stolen ones, leaving exactly 12. By taking a deep breath and reading just one sentence at a time, even the longest story becomes easy to solve. The forest animals raise their tiny cups, cheering happily in the glowing twilight to celebrate their wonderful midnight feast together. You did a wonderful job today. You used your math magic to help all of your woodland friends finish their day. When you follow the story step by step, you have a brilliant tool for solving any mystery the woods can throw at you.